Leveling up your work inside the Skool platform doesn't have to be difficult. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple, yet powerful features of Skool that can help you boost your productivity and efficiency. Stay tuned, because by the end, I'll also share with you a competitor that might even better serve your goals. First, let's talk about what Skool does really well. If you're already using Skool, you know it's an online learning platform designed to manage communities and courses in one place. It's great for organizing content and communication with your members, but there's a lot of untapped potential if you're not utilizing the platform to its fullest. The first thing you should be doing to level up your work is take full advantage of Skool's course creation tools. With Skool, it's incredibly easy to build out a curriculum, and everything is housed in one central location. But here's the kicker: most people only use the basic course structure. You should be diving deeper into features like automating your course releases and offering quizzes or group discussions to really engage your audience. This allows your students to get more out of the course while you focus on scaling up. Next thing you should focus on is utilizing the community aspect within Skool. You can create different groups based on your content, interests, or specific learning goals. This isn't just about adding people into a group and calling it a day. You want to create a sense of belonging by encouraging discussions, having regular check-ins, and even collaborating with others inside the platform. The more active the community, the more valuable the platform becomes, both for you and your members. The third thing Skool does well is its gamification system. By incorporating challenges, badges, and rewards into your content, you can motivate your users to engage more with your courses. This helps build habits and makes the learning process more fun, which is key to retention and growth. Don't just set up a course and forget about it. Create milestones that keep users excited and coming back for more. Next, let's talk about the search and tagging system within Skool. Skool has a powerful search function that helps your members find exactly what they're looking for. If you're managing a large community, this can be a game changer. You'll want to properly tag your content and make sure it's organized so users can quickly access specific topics or resources. This will save them time and improve the overall user experience, making them more likely to stay engaged with your platform. Finally, Skool isn't perfect. There are some limitations, like the lack of customization options for branding and design. You might find the interface a bit too simple for some use cases, especially if you're trying to build a more polished or personalized brand presence. And while Skool does offer a mobile-friendly experience, it's still a bit behind compared to competitors that have better app support and more advanced features for mobile users. Now, for those who are looking for a bit more flexibility or specific functionality that Skool doesn't offer, there are alternatives out there. One of these platforms, which I'll mention in a bit, allows for deeper customization, better integration with other tools, and even more advanced user interaction features. And if you're thinking about giving Skool a shot, I've got great news. You can get an exclusive extended free trial through our link. Plus, I've shared some amazing alternatives in this video that offer a free trial as well. These alternatives are better suited for certain goals, especially if you need more advanced features, and they come with some incredible benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you want to level up your work inside Skool and explore options that might be a better fit for your needs, check out the links in the description below. You won't want to miss the exclusive trial we've secured for you.